The default margin settings for Microsoft Word documents are 1 inch on all sides, top, bottom, left, and right. However, there are times when changing the default margins is required. For example, to prepare academic documents for printing. To accommodate binding of a thesis or dissertation, you would normally widen the left margin to 1.5 inches, depending upon the instructions given to you by your institution, to conform with the directions for submission given to you by an instructor. To avoid widows and orphans. A widow is a single line of text that appears at the top of a page. An orphan is a single line of text that appears at the bottom of a page. To improve readability. Wider margins generally make text easier to read and are preferred for some audiences. Microsoft Word offers 2 ways to set margins in your document. First, you can apply a predefined margin setting that affects all pages in the document. First, select Layout, then Margins. Then, choose the margin measurements you want. The most common predefined setting is Normal, which places 1 inch margins on all sides. Indeed, 1 inch margins all around is the recommended setting for APA and MLA documents. The second way to set margins in a Word document is with the custom margin settings. To create a custom margin, first, select Layout, then Margins. Next, select Custom Margins. Then, in the Margins dialog box, use the up and down arrows to enter the margin values you want. Be sure to select OK when done. Also, there are times when only some parts of your document require custom margins to accommodate graphics or annotations, especially for research papers, legal documents, or collaborative projects. In this case, to set different margins only on certain pages in a Word document, first, go to Layout, Break, then Section Break, then Next Page. Then go to Page Setup and Margins. Finish by choosing the margin size you want. Keep in mind, any new margins will apply only to the selected sections.